Good day, everybody. Welcome to Maths with Gastin. I am Gastin Mapala. Today, let's have a look at exponents, grade 11. We are going to be looking at the lesson, and then we are going to be looking at simplification and also solving for x when you are given exponents. This is for grade 11. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you can get more content when it comes to mathematics. Will make sure that we continue to dish out massive content that will assist you to make sure that you do well in your mathematics subject. Okay, let's go ahead and look at today's lessons. I am Gastin Mapala. Please make sure that you subscribe, and then let's go through with the lesson. All right, welcome, guys. Let's have a look at today's lesson. Okay, this is not. Yeah. All right, guys, let's have a look at on the lesson on exponent. There are several rules that we need to take note of. Rule number 1 on exponent, we need to take note that if you are multiplying, let's say you have given x squared, dot will mean multiply by x squared. If the bases are the same, you are multiplying, you must add the exponent. So the exponent will be added together to give us x to the power of 4. That's rule number 1. Please learn to appreciate the rules of mathematics as they are, and do not try to argue with them and just try to prove otherwise. Just accept them that if they're saying if the bases are the same, remember this is the base here, this is the base, okay, therefore this is the exponent. Okay, if the bases are the same, so you've got x, we've got x, so they are same, therefore you add the exponent. Okay, rule number 2, if the bases are the same and you are dividing, you minus the exponent. So in this case it's going to be x is our base, x to the power of 4, therefore you must minus the exponent. What is the exponent there? It's minus 2. Therefore our answer would be x to the power of 2. Okay, great. Okay, now rule number 3, it says that if you are given x to the exponent in whatever, or in this case is 4, and then is times by the power of something on the outside, therefore you should multiply the exponent with the power. You should multiply the exponent with the power, therefore it's going to give you 8. Please guys, please make sure that you really understand these basics, because this will assist you in each and every way, and also even in grade 12 you won't struggle when you have to deal with exponent, right? Okay, and then rule number 4, it says that anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, anything to the exponent 0, it could be a number. 2 to the power of 0, it would be 1. Okay, right? And then let's say number 5, it says that x to the power of minus 2, anything to the power of minus, when the exponent is a negative, it can be rewritten as 1 over that to the power of a positive exponent. Okay, a negative simply means a division sign, but the exponent remains positive in that instant. Okay, let's say for an example on this one, maybe you are given x to the power of minus 3, it would be 1 over x to the power of 3. Okay, anything 1 over, but if you want to take it back, it can be x to the power of negative 3. Okay, right, let's come here and say, okay, number 6. Okay, number 6, if you are given anything to the power of something but is got a square root, cube root, or a fourth root, is going to be equals to x squared times 1 over whatever that root is. Okay, if it was a square root here, it will be 1 over 2. If it was a fourth root, it's going to be 1 over 4 times that exponent is going to give us x to the power of 2 over 3. I hope you're following, guys. I hope you're following. If you're not following, please leave a comment on the comment section below. I will try my best to assist you and reply to your comment. Okay. So let's say you're given a fraction x over y to the power of 3, all of them. Okay. So now this simply means it's going to be x to the power of 3 all over y to the power of 3. Okay. Okay, guys, this is how the lesson is. Please make sure that you understand the basics. These are all the basics that I could think of that are really, really important for you to understand. Please make sure that you follow. If you don't follow, please pause this video, try to write them alone, but make sure that you understand. If the bases are the same, we add the exponents. If the bases are the same and we are dividing, we minus the exponent. If we are given an exponent and then it raised to the power of something and there's an exponent, you must multiply them. Anything to the power of 0, it's 1. And then if you have a negative exponent, it simply means it's 1 over x to the power of that exponent. If you're given a cube root, and then it will just be 1 over that root and then multiply by the exponent. So please, guys, please stay tuned to this channel, subscribe. We are going to be posting each and every day a series on how to simplify exponents and also on how to deal with equations when it comes to exponent while you have to solve for x. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload.